In this part, we will show you how to teach in first devices. So therefore, you have to change to the category basics within your application and then click on Add First Device Start. Now a wizard will appear which will tell you what to do next. For teaching in a device, you have to establish the power supply, so therefore insert the batteries or remove the insulation strip. If you are using plug main power devices, just plug it into a socket. So therefore we will show you now how to teach in a radiator thermostat, which you can see over here. Just open the battery case, remove the insulation strip, or just put in a second battery, like I will do now. Now the device is powering up, as you can see on the display, and the application will find this device, and you have to enter the last 4 digits of this device. You can find these digits within the battery case, so it's AB7C, or even on a QR code sticker, which is supplied together with the manual of the device. I will place it right over here so you can have a look on it. AB7C. And proceed. So now the next step is that this device will be registered to our access point, and we will have to choose a room for the device. Maybe this is our living room. Continue. Our first new room in this installation. Then choose a device name, for example, radiator thermostat. Continue. And that's more or less all. Just make or choose the orientation of the display. Maybe you mounted the device left to the radiator or right to the radiator. Just choose display orientation. And that's all, finished. The radiator thermostat has been successfully connected. Now the assistant is helping you again what to do next. Maybe you like to teach in another device, or maybe just click on done and finish the teach-in process. After this, we can change back to the home screen. Now we can see there's a first room appearing, our living room, with a climate control setting. This is the set point temperature of our living room. And if we go into our living room, just click on the room itself, you are able to change the temperature manually, for example, to 20 degrees. And this will also appear on your radiator thermostat. Here you can see even there 20 degrees is appearing. And also you are able to change temperature as well on the device itself. And it will be transferred back into the application. Click on back. Now we will teach in an additional device, a wall thermostat. A wall thermostat can be combined with a radiator thermostat, for example, or with electric heaters or underfloor heating. So therefore we go back to the category basics, and as you can see, all basic points are disappeared. So if you successfully set up the basics, pin code, location, add a device, then you have to switch over to the more category. This is the administration area of the Homematic IP app. And here you can see also categories like add device or give me a device overview of all Teachin devices and so on. So now we like to teach in an additional device. Choose the second point, and again the assistant, the wizard, will appear and will tell you how to proceed. Put in the batteries or remove the insulation strip, or if already the batteries have been placed in, just press on the blue system key. Now we have to search for the last 4 digits of the serial number A150 and put it into the application. Now also this device will be registered to the access point, and in the next step it will ask you in which room you like to place this wall thermostat. So in order this wall thermostat will interconnect with the radiator thermostat, we just have to choose the same room. Continue. Choose a name for your wall thermostat. Continue. And that's all. Now both devices will light up in orange color. This is indicating that they will be combined so that they can speak to each other, and there is no need of the access point. They can speak also if the access point is powered off or the internet connection maybe is lost. We go back to the category Home, and now we can see there are 2 new data points in our living room. This is the set point temperature, so the temperature you like to have in your room. And as well, now we can see the actual temperature and the humidity in the living room, because this data is supplied by the wall thermostat. And I will show you that now we can change the temperature on our wall thermostat, maybe 22.5, and it will be automatically transferred to our radiator thermostat. Let's teach in a third device, the door contact, which you can see between the 2 devices. A window or door contact can be used to reduce the set point temperature when you open the door or the window automatically. Therefore, we will go over to Add Device and teach in the third one. This is the window door contact. If the battery is already put in, just press on the blue system key. You will find the serial number also within the battery case is 153B for my device. I think your device will have another serial number. And proceed. And now, in order that this window contact will reduce the temperature in your living room when it is opened, just choose the living room again. So now we have 3 devices in the living room. Continue. In the next step, also you are able to change the device name, and Homematic IP asks you if you like to use this door or window contact for climate control functions, so lowering the room temperature during ventilation, or if you like to use it for security reasons, monitors, windows and doors, and an alarm will appear, for example. Or if you like to choose this contact in both solutions, it's also possible. Continue. That's all. Again, a third device has been teached into our Homematic IP access point. We will finish with done and go back to the home screen. Now I will show you what has happened. I put my finger on the optical sensor of this door contact because this optical sensor detects if the window is opened or closed. So now it's closed. And let's have a look on our set point temperature. The device will show you that it's 22.5 degrees. Also the application tells you the same. And as well we can see it on our wall thermostat. It's 22.5 degrees. Now I open the door contact. And let's see what is happening. Our device, our radiator thermostat, is changing to 12 degrees. Also our wall thermostat shows up that the window has been opened and the set point temperature is 12 degrees. And if we close the window contact, the device, the radiator thermostat, will change back to 22.5 degrees. Also, every time you are able to see the door status or the window status within the Homematic IP app, here it is appearing that there is any window open in the living room, and over here in this icon you can see that there is a window open in your house, in the whole house. So if you click on it, you can see, okay, in the living room I forgot to close the windows.